What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, we are doing our plan with me for the beginning part of November. I am using my Vintage Botanicals monthly layout planner, and I will be enjoying some wine. So if you are too enjoying, cheers. Today I am drinking my wine out of a mug because I'm sipping on a winter blend, and it's like a spiced red wine, and you warm it up and it is amazing. It is Halloween night. The kids have been outside. It is freaking freezing right now in Ohio. So much needed, warming me up and getting me through this plan with me. So cheers. So like I was saying, we are planning in our monthly layout. So let's go on ahead and slide on over to our pages here. I will already have my dashboard posted for you guys. So if you want to see how I did all of that, just make sure that you check out that video. As for now, we are going to get these pages together, child. So to begin, I am going to go on ahead and go into my journaling book and get some numbers for my days. So I think I want to go with this font here. I think it's super cute, super pretty. So let's just go on ahead and go through and get all of our days in. So now that we have everything dated, let's go on ahead and get to the design of this first spread of the month. So if you are unfamiliar with the monthly layout, it is literally just checklist for each day of the month. I kind of treat it almost like a dashboard, I guess. I don't know. When I look at other videos that are dashboard layouts, that's kind of how I treat this, because I don't necessarily always have a to-do list every single day, but I do operate mostly from to-do lists rather than, heavily decorating. I do like the decorations, don't get me wrong, but I like to operate from a checklist. So I am going to focus this first spread on using this fall book. This is one of the 2020 releases, so really wanted to tie in some of these stickers. I really liked this page, really want to get some use out of this here. So I know that there were some more stickers that really tied in with that one, so maybe they're back here. Here they are. So I really want to focus on this page because, like I said, I really like that, and yeah, I like these colors. So we're really going to focus on these and then just kind of add to from there. I think I'm just going to do a speed through. I don't know. You guys let me know how you feel. Would you rather me talk everything through with you guys, or would you rather just see what I'm doing? I find that myself, I get a little bit scatterbrained, or I lose train of thought easily, and I'll begin a thought and I'll sometimes stop a thought. I don't know. Maybe this will be a mix of both, but you guys let me know what you think down in the comments below. Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer a talk through or just kind of like a sped through, like, just see what I'm doing type of video? So yeah, for this video, I am just going to speed through and I will kind of touch base here and there. How about that? We'll speed through most of it, touch base here and there. That's what we'll do for this video. But definitely let me know what you guys think down below. I feel like I said that 5 times now, so do that. Alright, I just grabbed this sticker out of this Agenda 52 book. I got that from Hobby Lobby because I actually have a dinner date on the 1st, which is actually tomorrow. So I'm gonna slide that there. And then on the 4th, hallelujah, I have a nail appointment. I need to feel pretty bad. So I am going to grab this sticker here out of this Super Mom book. Let me get this out. This is the hard part about having nails, but I find them necessary for myself. So put that there, and I will write everything out later. And then on the 5th, I know that I have a special date here that I need to remember. So I'm just gonna take this sticker out of here. I have something due. So we'll make sure that I stack that there so I can remember. All right, so here is what my final spread is looking like. It's not super full, which is totally fine because I feel like this month I really want to focus on productivity. I'm sorry if you guys hear my furnace in the back. Again, I'm in the basement, so it's just what we're dealing with. However, back to this. So I didn't want to decorate too heavily, but I do feel like I'm missing an element here. I'm feeling like maybe these leaves aren't quite enough, so maybe I want to add to just a little bit more, just to add a little bit more grandiose. I am going to use maybe some of these guys. I like the color, and I definitely feel like I can use just a little bit more pizzazz. So maybe I'll stick this guy here. Maybe another one down here. Oh yeah, I like that. Maybe just like a sprinkle here and there. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling like maybe I just needed some foil because it just wasn't feeling shiny enough. I need shine. There we go. Let's stick this guy here. I feel like I'm missing something up in here. Maybe I need a box. It's funny how like sometimes like you think that you're done with a spread, but you really just want to have a little bit more. So maybe I'll use one of these guys. Yeah, I'll use a yellow flag here. Maybe I'll put this guy. Sorry if you're looking at the top of my head. Yeah, put that guy there. I think I'm satisfied. And once I actually fill out the pages, I'll feel a little bit more complete. But as for now, I know that I have these few dates coming in here. And typically what I like to do is I like to go day by day and create my list rather than trying to plan it too far ahead, because as a mom, you know, I can just face the facts that I won't always get all the things done, which is totally fine, but did want to make sure, you know, that I make space to do that for myself. So let's go on ahead and pop these guys into my planner. And typically I always put a bookmark here just so I can flip directly to this page, and I also keep a bookmark for my, I guess this is kind of like a month at a glance type of situation. I don't even know what they call this page. I've been calling it a monthly layout, a monthly spread, month at a glance, I don't know. So this is what it's looking like. And then this month, I'm also going to put in my list of video ideas, because that is one of my goals this month, is to create a list and actually check off everything. So I'm going to put that there. So that is it for the first half of my monthly layout planner for the month of November. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching my process. Even though this is not my favorite spread, I want to say by far, like, let me just show you, because I mean, this is such a pretty spread. And then even this one is such a pretty spread. These are probably by far my two favorite spreads so far. This, I don't know, I feel like the colors are kind of all over the place. I don't know, but I think as I begin to fill it out, I'll be just fine, whatever, it'll be okay. So I'm not going to stress out. But yeah, anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this plan with me for the first half of the month. If you guys want to continue to see more from my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, as well as the bell notification. That way you will be notified every time I release a new video. And what you can expect to see from my channel is things planner related, beauty related, and all things lifestyle. So I hope that you continue to stay tuned, and until the next one, peace out. See you later. Bye.